In addition to our current Ready, Steady, Cook competition, you also have a chance to have your recipe featured in a special Nord Anglia Cookbook. This cookbook will be published and printed and shared across all Nord Anglia schools later this year. To have a chance of having your photographs and recipes featured in the cookbook, go to the Ready Steady Cook page, scroll down, scroll past our challenges, all the way down to our recipe submission form. Click here. Here is the submission form. Type in all of your information, including the details of your dish. Remember to upload your photograph and click on Submit. Outstanding entries may feature in the Global Campus Cookbook. Good luck, everybody, and happy cooking!